Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be heading over to my sister-in-law's house. I heard that she has gotten scolded by her neighbor. She's got a bit of a weed problem. No, not that grass. The weeds that grow in your yard. Let's go take a look at it. And I got some stuff in the back here that I picked up off clearance. And we're gonna go spray that down. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because this is gonna be a multiple part series on treating her yard. We're just gonna throw a whole bunch of stuff at it, see what happens. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to be up to date on all of these videos. Let's go. All right, here we are. Let's go take a look, see what we got. Also want to let you guys know that I am doing this whole video on my cell phone. Normally I use my GoPro Hero 7 Black, but I know there's other lawn care YouTubers who only use their cell phone, so I thought I'd give it a try. Have hose will travel. You know, Jimmy's always talking about my hose. Come on, Jimmy. All right, so here we are. This is her yard here. Clearly needs some work. Got lots of clover, crabgrass coming in, some nasty butt thistle. So some spurge maybe. Other broadleaf weeds in here, dandelions and such. So we are gonna spray. I've got a couple of things here. I always like to check out in Walmart usually, but they have this combo pack for 10 bucks, normally like $32. Picked up one of those. We're only gonna use, we'll start with this one, and then we'll do another episode of this one, and then this fall we'll put this one on. We'll save the insect killer for next year. I've also got this is another Walmart special, the lawn weed killer. So, and then I've got weed and grass killer for like driveways and things like that. So let's get started. Shake well. Sorry folks, salad bar is closed. Alright, we're here in the backyard now. Clearly there's some kids' toys out here. Don't worry, the kids are not here. And things will be dry before they come back. They're gone for the weekend. So, we've got lots of weeds back here. So, I'm going to spray both bottles again because you know what? Why not? Let's push it. And, it's not my yard. No, but for real though, we're gonna push this thing. We're gonna get rid of the weeds. We'll do another application in about a week or so with the weed and feed, and then we'll fertilize everything again. So being fall time, we can push it even more. You can tell which neighbor complained. Let's get to spray in this backyard. Alright, so we got this stuff down. We'll wait a week or two, see the damage it does. Then we'll come in with a weed and feed. Knock them down again. And then after that, we'll come with this Fertilite. And we'll see if we could transform this salad bar into something better. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.